Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to change the keyboard on your phone. First, open the Settings app on your mobile, scroll down and tap on System or additional settings depending on your device. Select Languages Input and then tap on Keyboard Input Methods. Choose Current Keyboard or Manage Keyboards and you'll see a list of available keyboards. Select the keyboard you want to use by tapping on it. That's it. Your keyboard has been successfully changed. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you for watching.